Namaste friends, welcome back to Pavi Tech Zone. In the last video, we have displayed all the news in a recycler view. In this video, we will add buttons to categorize the news, and when we click on any of the button, it will show up the news of that category. So let's get started. Go to activity main.xml. Here below text view, we will add a horizontal scroll view. Width will be match parent and height will be match parent. Height will be wrap content. Layout margin will be 4 dp. And we will give the ID to it. We will give it as Horizon button. Inside this horizontal scroll view, we will add a linear layout. Width will be match parent. Height will be wrap content. And orientation will be horizontal. In this, we will add buttons. Button. Width will be wrap content. Height will be wrap content. And we will give the ID to the button. Button 1. And layout margin, we will give it as 6 dp. And text general. And we want some other categories for business, sports, technology, health. So copy the same code, paste it 6 times, and change its text from general to business, sports, technology, health, entertainment, and science. And change the ID. So now we will run our application and see whether the categories are displayed or not. So here we have the buttons with multiple categories. All the categories are displayed. But when we click on any of them, they do not do any functionality. So let's implement the click event for these buttons. Go to main activity. Import all those buttons. Button btn1, btn2, in on create, we will find the ID of those buttons. Goes to find view by ID, r.id. Button 1, and find the ID of all buttons. And now we need to implement these buttons. For that, in main activity, implements view dot on click listener, hover your cursor on the line and click on implement methods. So it is on click, click on OK. So we have this on click method here. Before that, we will set the on click listener. For that, btn1 dot set on click listener this. Copy the same thing for all buttons. btn2 so now go to on click method. Here button btn equals to button string category equals to btn dot get text dot toString. According to this, a particular category should get the news of that. Next, go to get news function. Here we will add a parameter string category, and inside this builder we will pass the category. In onCreate function, when we open the app, we should get the news from the general category first. For that, we will pass general and when categories are clicked, we should get the news from particular category. For that, get news and pass the parameter as category. Now we will run our application and see whether we are getting the news from the categories or not. So the news is successfully loaded. Now I will click on any of the category. It should display the news of that category. I will click on sports. So as we can see, all the news related to sports is being loaded, and when we click on health, all the news related to health is loaded, and when we click on science, all the news related to science is loaded. So that's all for this video. In the next video, we will implement whenever we click on any of the news, it will open the full news. So if you are happy with my video, please give a like to the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.